Hey guys, it's been a while. Just a quick update on the bike. It's winter time now, not riding so much, but I did quick like small upgrades. I did that upgrade on the windshield because my one was up to here. Got new handguard, hand grip, Oxford one, much more warmer. They're working now and they're coming off. Put back my quad lock because I was riding without it. I used to like listen to sat-nav what he's like saying, and I didn't like it, so I'm just putting it back. So yeah, and today I'll be changing my antifreeze and air filter. I did my service quite recently. I thought I might do these ones. It's quite cheap. They only cost me like £30 and they're quite easy to change. As I was wiring my grip, I already saw my air filter, so I thought I might change it. I checked my history that it's never been changed, so I mean it's only like £15, so why not? As I thought I might be selling the bike, but I'm not, so I'm keeping it. And yeah, just doing quick, like small updates, upgrades, services. I got this quite cheap for like £25 on I think it was at AliExpress. I just done my own hole, just drew my own hole. These are the original ones, and I put a what's it called, film on it, sticker, not like proper clear, so it's a bit darker. You take the cover. I think it says you're supposed to change the cooling every 2 years. In the service manual I didn't see anything, so I thought I just might do it. Oh, it's screws. I did get a Honda genuine cooling, which is that. Didn't want to risk with anything else, so there's another bolt just inside here, somewhere here, which I hope is not gonna be too difficult to get. And this is my draining bucket. Yeah, there you can see. Oh, that was quite easy. Need to open, and this is gonna come out here. Come on, it's quite a long screw. It's coming. Sounds like he's trying to speak to me. So after that, I need to unscrew this bolt, which is a 10mm as well. Apparently it's just only one screw that is holding this reservoir. Silly me, I just thought, oh, idiot. That's how you take it off. Apparently I didn't need to do what I was just doing, because I hope it's not gonna be too hard to put it back on. So the thing that I took off was this, but stupid me, I didn't need to do that. So I'm putting it back on. That goes in here, that goes in here, and that goes inside here, like this. And no, I need to take this one out. Looks like this. And this one, you just put it around here. Put it back. Put it back. And you put this back. Go inside. Put this, and you put this here, you moron. Yes. And then you just put the screw back in. Struggling to put the screw back in, and is it in? Yes, it's in. Should take around 1.5 liters. Let's close that. Whoa. Okay. It looks full. I'll put a cap on back. Put a cap on. Let's run the engine for a bit. Oops. Missing a bit. I moved the bike a bit. Yeah, still missing. So interesting. It was only a liter. Wow. I won't need this.